Out here in the workshop today, looking at my Stromberg Carlson candlestick telephone that I acquired maybe 10 years ago. It's not a perfect restoration. I guess this was done when I got it. It's marked here Stromberg Carlson, manufactured by Stromberg Carlson, Rochester, New York. And I was just cleaning up the brass a little bit with my flits. I like this flits. It's really good on brass, nickel, chrome, and it's good for plastics. So about anything that you want to polish, this will do it without scratching the surface, the coatings. This phone, I'm not sure if the handset is authentic or not. The neat thing about this phone is it's set up to use on the modern phone system. So you can actually hook this up and have calls coming in, and has a ringer box. You can see the modern talk piece that's in it. I like it. I've really enjoyed it, owning it, playing with it. And it sets along. It's got a lot of dust on it, and the brass had tarnished a little bit. It's got the ringer box with it, with modern ringer inside of it. You'll see there what they've done when they've... I'd call it an amateur restoration, but it's really nice. I've thought about repainting, having the ringer box professionally painted with slick urethane. I like my black finishes to look like black glass, as well as this finish here. The base is fairly nice. I've been polishing it a bit. It's got the original feed on it. It's actually just a circular padded type material that goes out at the perimeter of it. And they've done it with the correct cloth covering on the wiring. So there you go. Just out in the shop having a blast this morning and playing around. Early 20s from what I've gathered. Stromberg Carlson candlestick telephone. Not original, customized to me. I like to use these old phones. Actually take calls on them and dial on them. If anybody knows anything about this phone, I'd sure appreciate a comment below the video. And that's going to do it. Another antique collectible. I appreciate everybody that watches my videos, and sorry if they get boring. But anyway, enjoy, rate this video, and comment if you'd like. It's a pleasure bringing these items to you guys. Thank all my subscribers, and appreciate all you guys' videos too. I love retro 50s and back memorabilia. Thank you.